Today's video is sponsored by Soul Premise. Hey man, let me tell you, if you're looking for the ultimate roller bag, this is it. Traveling is opening up. People are going to be flying everywhere. And I know you want to make sure that you take your shoes on the flight with you. Soul Premise has come out with a new leather roller bag made of tumble leather. It is honestly phenomenal. You have so many compartments. More importantly for me, the laptop compartment and being able to fit any size shoe up to a size 15. That's vital. And it is TSA approved. You guys can go to Soul Premise down below and make sure you check it out. The nice thing about this bag is you can either carry it or you can roll it. Sometimes, you know, when you're traveling all day, having that heavy backpack is draining, man. So, I mean, switch it up, get the roller. And be sure to use my code Mike the Compass to get 30% off or more. Today we got something special, y'all. Huge shout out to the homie Retro 707 Grails for hooking me up early. I think the return is here, man. Maybe we're speaking a little too early, but you guys know I'd love to get shoes in early just to let you know what they look like ahead of time. So here we have it, the Dunk High Fragment. Now, bro, dunks have been incredibly hard to get this year. I haven't hit one time on any raffle, any site. The Dunk High is at an ultimate level of just hype, man. Honestly, I mean, I ain't gonna hold you. You guys know Bootish for the one time, Pound Cake. If you guys have been watching this channel for a long time, he was big into dunks, man. He got so many steals on some of literally the hottest dunks, and you know, I should have listened to him, man. I had a few myself, but I ended up letting them go, and I really regret it. Number one being my Dunk High Furious Buellers, man. Those were stupid. I had those and I had the notebooks, so hopefully they come out with those again soon. Love to see them, but you know, chances are very slim. But anyway, getting to these, retail is $150, and on top of that, the color is just, it's a hit and a miss for a lot of people, you know. I like kind of the mature element. You guys can see the box, all black, gotta love it. Now these are definitely gonna be at an all-time hard to get. I don't expect them to be like the threes just because they are dunks. We know Fragment is known for obviously the Bo Jacksons. There's the Fragment ones, which are tough, and then obviously the most recent Fragment threes, and rumored some other dunks that should be coming soon, but we'll see about that. Now it's pretty cool when it comes to the development of, I guess, brands and people who make hype designs. You know, you look at someone like a Virgil Hiroshi, for example. He's actually a mentor for a lot of very well-known people. Number one being Nigo over there at Bape, but also mentors Jun Takahashi of Undercover. So it's really insane. Hiroshi is really the man. I mean, he's even a hip hop DJ. Tokyo interests me so much, man. I think one thing that I realized when I went, you guys can see the staple rug right here. When I went to New York and was hanging out with the homie Billy, shout out to Billy for the one time. There's so much culture in the sneaker community, in the dunk community, and you know, I kind of want to be a part of it, and it just comes down to learning knowledge and just finding that interest, and also I think visiting there. So hopefully, you know, I can make it out to Asia in the next few years, but I'd love to get over to Tokyo and, you know, just learn that street culture and more of just kind of what goes on within that realm of things, you know, because I do think it's super dope. But anyway, let's get into the shoes. The whole reason you guys are here in the first place. Peep these bad boys. So if you didn't know, dunks, make sure you go true to size. If you have like a wider foot, I would recommend even going up half a size if it's possible. But I mean, you guys can see these things are pretty dope, and they might not do it for everyone, but I do love that wine color with the black. And then of course, that stamp of approval, the Fragment design. What a beautiful logo, man. I'm hoping for my new brand, I can come up with something like this because it's just so cool, man. Like personally, I love looking at the way companies brand themselves because it's usually just the most simple designs that just look hard. You know what I'm saying? It doesn't ever need to be too complicated, but I mean, this is just your regular quality dunk. We got this nice soft PU leather, I'm assuming, all black laces, you know, black upper, wine, those nice wine panels. And what's really interesting about this is you actually have the season SKU and the name of this, which is Nike Dunk High Fragment design. And you know, that's pretty much what the shoe is. And these are pretty cold, man. I ain't gonna lie. Now, I will say, take the Fragment, take this, just stuck with the plain colorway. You know, that's how we always want to look at it, and still fire. I definitely look at these as a hit, man. Definitely no misses over here. Done very well. Wow. Now, as of right now, I'm not exactly sure when these are set to release. I'm thinking in June, but I mean, a little more information if you guys don't know. These actually did release back in 2010. It was a part of a 3-city collection. There was New York, Beijing, and London, I believe. And what's crazy is the original pair back in 2010 was actually different colors, essentially kind of like a what the, you know what I mean, before the what the. They basically reversed the panel coloring. So you had one shoe with black and purple and the other one with purple and black, I believe is what it was. And now you just have both shoes that are the same. And personally, I like it that way, man. I don't really like the mix max what the shoes. Like, I'm not really the biggest fan. Just because I feel like for as hype as they get in, you know, on the back end market of how much they cost, that's just not a very versatile shoe. The only what the shoe that I love is the what the LeBron 10 and the what the Kobe 8s. Like, that's enough for me. Any more than that, I'm good off of that. Not saying that the what the series isn't hard in general, but I mean, when it comes to a design like this, I just want both shoes to match and, you know, keep it at that. Like, that looks super clean. Of course, I got to give you guys a quick on foot, and I will say, man, I'm making the transition from the Dunks #1 because I ain't got to lace up my damn shoes, bro. I just told you guys about how I absolutely hate, like, bro, with a passion, having to lace up my Jordan 1s. Like, that shit drives me absolutely bananas. Man, I'm telling you, just 2 days ago, I'm like, oh man, this is a fire fit. And then I went to go pull them out the box and I'm like, you gotta be shitting me, bro. Like, this is I'm already late and now I gotta do this. They look crispy on feet. Now, is the purple pants a little too much? Maybe, but we doing it for the YouTube. Oh yeah, I honestly forgot that Dunks are wider. Oh, that feels good on my feet. So I kind of got like, I got essentially some type of skinny but wider feet. Now I'm also 6'3", if that matters. Sheesh, man, these go. So you guys can let me know what you think, but like I said, make sure you go true to size. You definitely won't regret that at all. That's a beautiful shoe. Sheesh, man, I'm telling you, I haven't, I don't even know the last pair of Dunks that I got. And I'm gonna have to try to collect a few. Nothing too crazy, but these go, sir. I just like, it's a very subtle, you know, like that wine color. And then they just hit you with that all white. They could have went black on it, but the white done very well. Premium, very, very premium. Sheesh, man. But there you guys have it. You're gonna have to let me know down below, are these Dunks a cop or a drop? Would you buy these without the Fragment design? Or what Dunks are you looking forward to or you would like for me to get my hands on early? I think I should be able to get a lot more stuff early now, so I'm really looking forward to that and hopefully can keep bringing you guys some great reviews. But this is your boy Sneaker Life. I'll catch you in the next one. Run it.